njagala okwebaza Katonda olunaku olwaleero. Nze mbadde omukulu mu mbuga eno mu kuteekateeka ekisaakaate kya maama. Neebaza Obuganda bwonna n'abantu ba Ssaabasajja ku kikolwa ekyeru tusiime. Neebaza olukiiko lwa maama Nnabagereka olwa bagunjuzi bakojja ne basenga olw'okuteekateeka obulungi abaana bano. Naye okusinga byonna ye maama okutukulaba. Tubadde n'ennyonta y'amaanyi nnyo nga twesunga maama otulabako, yakedde n'atuukira mu budde. Ekyo nno nkyebaza Katonda n'olw'enteekateeka ennungi ennyo nti kye twali tusabira tukituuseeko. Ndabye ebintu eby'enjawulo abaana bye babadde bakola nga tebabikola naka. Nolaba omwana ng'amanyi okuwaata, nolaba omwana amanyi okulunda obunyi. Ndabye ebintu eby'enjawulo ng'abaana bamanyi emiziro gyabwe, abaana bamanyi okukamula juyisi. Nga nange mbadde wano naye ng'ebimu sikimanyi nti abaana badde babikola olw'obuvunaanyizibwa bwe mbadde nabwo. Nyongera okwebaza Ssaabasajja Kabaka olw'okubeera nga yannengera n'embeera omu ku baweereza be. Ekyamazima simuswazizza, nkoledde ddala ekyo kye baali bansuubiramu ate n'okuyisaawo. Era nyongera omukakasa nti nja kuweereza nabo bonna obutinitini bwe balabye nti ekyali obubulamu. Ennaku z'omwezi ezinaggwera 21 bonna bujja kuba buwedde.
The last one we held was in 2020, and we haven't held another one since. Even though these programs, the kyaggwe programs, they we incorporate them into other different programs throughout the year. However, the camp is normally held once a year in January, and because of COVID, we're not able to do that. So we're very grateful to Mr. Naginda to host us in this very nice school, Muzza High School. We appreciate the directors, the management, and also appreciate all the other partners who have been able to come to enable us to host Saturday in this school. We've been able to register, I think it's over 460 children, 468 this time around, and they're from different districts and also different parts of Buganda. Today I was able to go to see all the different activities that are taking place within the camp. We have lessons that are held in class. We learn about culture, language. We also have other topics that have been covered this time around, like avoiding drug use and also many other related topics that children, the things that they don't know or they didn't know or they knew little about, and that they have been able to gain during this camp. We're hopeful that by the end, this time around we've done 3 weeks. Normally the previous camps are usually 2 weeks, so we've been able to hold it longer. We thought that it would be more beneficial, as parents did indicate that the 2 weeks were very short. So we hope that by the time the kids leave here, they would have gained something out of it. Some of the activities are really very beneficial, especially to the older kids, the teenagers who are looking for things to do during their long vacation. For example, those who just finished O-level, we saw how they were teaching them poetry, gardening, also not just teaching them how to garden, but what are the benefits of the different things that they're trying to do. How can they benefit